Welcome to the kitchen where we make everything but pasta. Friday nights are usually falafel nights for us, and today I'm going to show you how to make the falafel. For this recipe, you'll need 1 cup of dried chickpeas, 1 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of cumin that I've roasted here and lightly crushed, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and the seeds from 1 pod of cardamom, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 medium onion, and a chili pepper. Instead of a chili pepper, you could use red powder if you don't have the green one. A bunch of parsley chopped up to about a cup, and a bunch of coriander chopped up to about a cup as well. So let's get started. As we're using dried chickpeas, we'll need to soak them either overnight in cold water or at least for 4 to 5 hours. When the chickpeas have soaked overnight, then we'll transfer it to a colander and drain and set aside. Next, we'll prepare our fresh ingredients. We'll chop the onions. Fairly large pieces is fine. We're going to put them in the food processor afterwards, but it's just easier for them to mix if they've been chopped up a bit. We'll add the garlic, the green pepper. I like the falafel somewhat spicy, so I'm going to leave the seeds, but you can take the seeds out. Next, chop the parsley coarsely and add it to the bowl. Also chop the cilantro and put it to the bowl. We're now ready to start the processing. In your food processor, transfer the chickpeas and the fresh vegetables. Along with the salt, the cumin, cardamom, and the black pepper. Now pulse the mix, and you'll notice that you'll have to stop and scrape the sides. You might need to do this several times just to get the mixture to a good consistency. Transfer it to a bowl. Add the baking soda and the chickpea flour and combine well. Now cover it with some saran wrap and place it in the fridge for about an hour. After an hour, remove it from the fridge and make some falafel balls. I'm using about a tablespoon at a time to roll the balls. Repeat until all the falafels have been rolled. Next, we're going to fry these falafels. I'm using a wok today on medium heat and going to fry the falafels, a few falafels at a time. Turn them so that they're golden on both sides. When they're ready, remove them to a paper towel lined plate. Continue with the remainder of the falafels until all of them have been fried. The falafel is now ready, and today I'm going to serve it with some hummus and garlic sauce alongside a quinoa tomato salad. Leave a comment below if you would like us to share the salad recipe in an upcoming video. And subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching. Bye!